our first trips in a long time. If you guys don't know, he's been on crutches since February and we're in May. So it's been officially 3 months and we are so excited to be back and being out and doing stuff. So his birthday just passed and he wanted to go fishing for the weekend to hang out because we didn't get to hang out on his birthday. So that's what we're doing today. Do you see my husband right there? He's finally walking. That's not my husband, not that guy, not that guy. Oh, right there. He hasn't been able to walk for 3 months, you guys. And look at my baby, he walked the whole pier. I'm so proud of him.
Well, I'd like to have a look.
Taking a break. We've walked a lot, so I'm really proud of this for doing. We are at Omi Japanese and Grill, so I'm really excited. We're gonna share a roll and then we're gonna get tacos. I guess we're gonna be foodies today.
So we're at a pizza spot. We just got back from a sushi restaurant to try some hand rolls, and right now we're getting one slice of pizza to taste it. We're on a food run right now, so I'm excited because I haven't been able to eat a lot of food lately, so this is my first time doing this, so hopefully we have fun.
So we just left the pizza place and now we are heading to go get some tacos because, you know, we still got room in our stomachs. We made it across the street to get some tacos.
Somebody's baby.
Alright, this finally woke up. It's 5:23.
Wow.
We ate, we walked downtown, we laid on the beach, and now we're gonna do what we were actually supposed to do today.
Fishing.
Just fishing. All right, before we go fishing, we are going to get a funnel cake. Oh, babe.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. I guess workout starts on Monday. Hey, babe.
Hey.
Is that your birthday fish?
Dude, this is my birthday fish. That's all I wanted to do. Now it's time to go home.
It's so small.
I know, it's small.
Oh, well. Happy birthday.
Yeah. Hi. Almost done. The day is almost done. We gotta drive home 2 hours. I'll maybe have dinner possibly. Maybe not.
You guys, we ate at like 3 different places. Just want to let you know that our day is ending. Well, we're headed home. So we'll see you guys next time.
County Highway S21.
Okay, bye.